And here are 2 simple steps to break in your brand new KTM 1390 Super Duke R EVO. Step number 1, go to your favorite pass. In my case, it's hard side pass. Step number 2, send it. Oh man, gotta be good. Gotta keep it below 6,000 RPM, but at least not hit the rev limiter. What's that noise behind me? Someone's coming up to me. Now look at this Ducati Street Fighter V4 madman. Alright, cool overtake now. Let me try and catch up to him. Yeah. No. Here we go. No, that ain't gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. Well, sometimes you can be a good rider, a mad rider. I mean, look at what he's just doing now. I mean, do you want to die? Effort for sending it, not good points for trying to die. And look at that 390 here coming up to me. That beautiful, beautiful view showing me now. Can we please just do it one more time? Just one more time. Yes, yes, yes. Oh man. Just can't wait to break this bike in, do the first 600 miles, do my first service, and then that's it. No limits, no limit. The sky's the limit. Street Fighter guy, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe to watch more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ride safe, not like the Street Fighter guy.